Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Brainplosion. In this video, we're gonna melt this JAWBREAKER with a blowtorch. But before getting started, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I make new videos. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Before leaving, I just want to say thank you so much for 500 subscribers. I think we're a little bit over 500 now. I cannot give a big enough thank you. I appreciate you guys subscribing, let alone watching my videos. It means the world to me. It really does. I know some comments say like, oh, you should have more subs and this and that, but hey, one day we're gonna get there, and hopefully you guys are there along for the ride. Anyways guys, have a great day. Y'all are the best. Peace.